Hi friends, I'm here today to show you how to make PDFs digital. I know that Jen has been working her butt off right now to get everything digital for us, but obviously she can't do everything in one day. So I just wanted to take a second to show you how you can take one of Jen's curriculums or products and make it digital if it's not already. So right now I'm working on the guided reading. And so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a screenshot. So on a Mac, that's Command Shift 4, and it makes a cross. Then I'm going to drag this across the page that I want. It's going to take a screenshot. As you can see here, it's going to save. Then I'm going to go to whatever digital slide that you use. I personally love Google Slides. And then I already did it, but I actually made this format into like an actual paper size. To do that, you're going to go to Page Setup, and then you're going to click Custom, and then choose whatever page or size that you want. I'm actually going to choose like an actual paper size, and then I'm going to apply. Then I'm going to go over to my screenshots. I'm going to grab it and drag. Then I'm going to format it so it fits perfectly on the paper, like this. Okay, and then I'm going to add text boxes, and that's like the number one thing here. Really, is just making it so kids can actually type on the document. And so you do that by inserting text box, and then I always just drag it all the way through here. And then another thing I do, because she does have lines inputted there for student writing, I like to make it in color because then it's easy to see. So my personal experience, and then the kids can start typing. So again, you can do this on every single part. So what I do here, so kids know exactly what's happening, I put add text here, and then obviously I'll copy and paste, and then copy and paste. I hope this helps you.